Join us as we delve into the technical details on display at the Australian Grand Prix. Be sure to check back throughout the course of the weekend, as we'll be updating the site with more galleries as they arrive from the circuit. A look at Ferrari's nose and front wing, with 4 assemblies stacked up outside the garage as the team prepare their cars for action, a close-up of the middle portion of the engine cover bodywork from the Mercedes W16 before it's installed, with a series of large, curvaceous louvres draped over the shoulder section, Sauber with 4 front wing and nose assemblies stacked up outside the garage, as the team prepare their cars for the Grand Prix weekend ahead. A bare bones, unprepared, Alpine A525 chassis in the pit lane that's being used for extraction practice. Haas opting to store their nose and front wing assemblies outside their garage. In a more traditional format than some of the other teams, a close-up of the Alpine A525's side pod inlet section of the side pod, whilst the side impact protection spar, SIPs, can also be seen due to the bodywork not being installed around it. We're treated to a view of the Mercedes W16 without the bodywork attached, which not only provides some insight into the fitment of the power unit, rear crash structure, and rear suspension, it also provides us with an opportunity to see the internal floor stays. A close-up of the front brake caliper on the McLaren MCL39 as a mechanic prepares the car for action, with a notable change to the design of the pin and fin arrangement used to help moderate the caliper's temperature. An unusual view beneath the Racing Bull's V-Carb 02 as the car is elevated and worked on by the mechanics, giving us an interesting angle with which to view the lower part of the chassis, whilst also allowing us to observe the electronics and ancillaries housed above the T-tray.